Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Blink XT2. So in order to reset it, the reset button is located in the battery compartment. So you can find it at the top right hand corner of the Blink camera's smooth plastic surface, right beside the serial number sticker. So this reset button is housed within a small hole in the plastic casing, and it's slightly recessed within that hole for easy access. So the reset button is found in the battery compartment. Adjacent to the battery compartment on the right side of the plastic house, there is a distinctive thermometer shaped marking that extend for the top of the bottom. So at the bottom of the marking, there is a small hole where the reset button is discreetly recessed. So this will look something like this, as you can see in the image. So you can locate the Blink mini reset button, and after that you just have to simply press and hold it for around 10 seconds. After that you just have to simply put the batteries into this, and you will be able to easily reset Blink XT2. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.